Just like there are 10 contestants still and there are 10 contestants who've been eliminated. One will rejoin the game. However, one may join the game. But the voters won't be deciding who will be eliminated. The contestants will. But what will the voters vote on? Well, it turns out that one recommended character will join the game. But reaching the final 7 also means a new stage in the battle. And guess what? The 15 eliminated contestants will get to choose who to eliminate, and they will have 1 month to decide. Do you hear that, voters? That means you will vote on something else?
And what would this something else be?
You see, an eliminated contestant's going to rejoin the game. For the last time in BFDI ever. And the voters will decide who it is. Oh, be quiet, you gaspers.
Bubble, you were nice to me sometimes, but not enough times. And to be honest, I'm not sad to see you go.
It turns out that Leafy's not such a nice person after all. Leafy was the one who butchered Melon so that none of us could have it.
Wait, one more rule. Before a contest, players may switch teams if they want.
I have had enough of Pin being the butt of your jokes. I will spin it.
Should we get involved?
You must choose between immunity to the final 6 or the removal of another contestant.
Immunity! I choose that one! What? What do you want?
I'll team with you!
Yuck!
I'm winning!
Yes! Yes, yes, yes! I won!
Challenge isn't over yet.
I can't wait to sell island insurance to the lucky winner. They're so lucky to win this thing.
But maybe they won't win that thing.
But also, since I missed most of this season, I want to introduce a new twist. We're bringing teams back.
Team, Black Hole and I have discussed this. Our pact has changed slightly.
And you said it!